Storite, pistol-shaped stainless steel igniter, spark gas lighter for kitchen stove.
Silver.
The spark lighter is made from durable stainless iron, is long-lasting and rust-proof. It doesn't need a battery or any butane. It ignites by friction, which makes sure that you and your family are safe. You can light any gas appliance, including gas barbecues and grill, fireplaces and furnaces. Use it continuously 30,000 times. It does not need any liquid or battery to assist the spark. A great help for cooking in the kitchen. The long shaft design ensures a safe ignition distance from the fires and stove. The appropriate length of the lighter and distance of the handle from the tip makes this product convenient to use. The lighter is safe to use since it creates a safe distance between you and the lighter. The long pistol shape makes it easy to use to light your oven and grill.